Hey there, Cam here, and today I'm gonna make my own avatar builder review. So Avatar Builder is a brand new software that you can use to create 3D animations that you can use as a video itself, or something that you can add as a b-roll, or add-ons to your main video. Let's say, for example, you're creating a talking head video or a live action video and you want to add some animations into it, then this is a tool that you can use. But is it a good software that we can use to create amazing 3D animations? Well, let's find out. Alright, so as you can see, I'm now here in the dashboard of Avatar Builder, and it's a web app, by the way, so you don't have to install anything. All you have to do is log into the members area and you will be taken here. So for you to start to create video, all you have to do is click this create video tab. And as you can see, there's a bunch of templates here that you can use, and the templates are telling how the text appears. Like for this one, it's lines fade in, and then lines reveal, and typewriter, and a lot of other templates here, such as this fixed front angles, fixed top angles, and even some other things here like cursive brush and whatnot. Aside from that, here below they also have some other things, such as templates for mock-up showcase, which is also a great thing. And also they have this image frames, but right now it's still on beta. And they also have this avatar with solid background for blue screens and green screens. And this is great because if you just want to use the 3D animation and just add it to your own main video, like for example, you're creating your own a live action video and you just want to insert some 3D animations, then this can come in handy. But right now, let me show you the other templates that they have right here. So let's start this lines reveal, for example. So let me just click that. And as you can see here, once I do, they have these steps that you can just follow. And once you choose the first step, all you have to do is click next to proceed. And again, once I do, they will reveal a bunch of ready-made niches for this category. Although they also have this blank canvas in case you want to create things from scratch. But as you can see here, if you're doing this as a service to local businesses, they already have this ready-made niches that you can use. So for example, if I'm creating a video for an attorney, I can choose this one for acupuncture and whatnot. Then I can just easily choose whatever template that I need for that certain niche. And so for this demo, let's try, accident attorney, for example. So let me just choose this. And by the way, I can also click preview to preview how it looks like before using it. So I can play this one.
If you've been in an accident, you probably have a lot of questions such as, how am I going to pay my medical bills? How do I...
And so yep, that's how it looks like. For now, I don't have to finish the video. I just want to have a preview on how it looks like. And let's say I'm happy with this one, so let me just close that. So I already chose this, so let me just click next. And once I do, again, it shows me a bunch of 3D characters that I can use. So I can actually change that preloaded character in that niche. So this is an attorney, so I have to choose something that's formal. So maybe I can use Zane, or maybe Hunter, so or maybe even this one right here. So I don't know, let's choose Deshaun, for example, and then click next. And once I do, I can also choose from these things: text to speech, ready-made voiceover. I can even record my own voice, my own audio. And I can also use text to speech and just choose from a library or just upload my own. But in this demo, let me just use the ready-made voiceover, and as you can see, I can play it here to preview it.
If you've been in an accident, you probably have a lot of questions such as, how am I going to pay my medical bills? How do I make up for time out of work?
And as you can hear, that's really sounding really great already. Although, like I said, if you want to use your own voiceover, which is actually better, because in that way you can make your video a lot more unique, then you can just go here and record your own voiceover. But again, just for the sake of this demo, to make things faster, let me just use this ready-made voiceover right here. And you can also add a background music if you want by checking this one right here. And I can play any of these to preview it. And maybe for this one, because this is an accident attorney, maybe this one can go with that. So let me just choose that, and then click play combination to preview how it sounds.
If you've been in an accident, you probably have a lot of questions.
And as you can hear, the background music is pretty loud, so I need to lower the volume and play that again.
If you've been in an accident, you probably have a lot of questions such as, how am I going to pay my medical bills? How do I make up for time out of work?
And this is really great because I can actually hear how it sounds before even using it as a background music. And I've never seen this in other types of video web apps like this in the past. So this is a great feature that they added right here. So once I'm happy with that, I can now click next. And once I do, as you can see, I can see a text preview right here. And then they already immediately, divided this text into different scenes, so I don't have to do that myself, but it actually happened automatically. And I can also go here to font and just choose any font that I want, although let me just leave what is already chosen right there, which is, I believe it's Lato Black or something. So once I'm happy with this one, I can click next. And then I can also choose the video settings, whether the text color will be white or the box will be black, or I can interchange that, or even choose any color that I want from here. Although again, let me just leave it as that. And then I can also upload my company logo, and I can do that by clicking this upload button. And I already uploaded one earlier, which is this one, but if you still did not, you can just click this upload button and upload your logo from your computer. So let me just choose my logo right here. And I can crop and edit, remove background and whatnot, but again, this is good for me, so let me just click select. Alright, once I do, I can click next. And this is where the magic happens, and this is probably my favorite feature in this app, because I can actually customize this 3D avatar. And this is something that was not possible before. In most of the apps like this, the avatar that you can see is what it is. You can no longer do some customizations if you want. But what I like about Avatar Builder is that you can actually still customize any character that you chose. So for example, for the hair, I can do that, and as you can see, I can make him bald, without hair or something like that, or I can even push it up to that. And as you can see, I changed the hair with something like that. And this might not go with this kind of niche that I chose, so I'll probably just go for the something in the middle. And I can even change the color of the hair if I want by clicking here. And if I wanna make him blonde, for example, I can also do that. Click OK. Although I think it doesn't go with this character, so let me just bring that back to black. But I just want to show you that you can also do that. I can also go here to the lips, and if I want to change the color of the lips, I can do that. I can even go to the fingernails and change the color of all that, and a bunch of other things here, like the pupils of the eye, the towel. So I can also change the color of that by going here, and let's say I want to choose something like a bit brownish or orange or something. Let me just go here, click OK. And as you can see, I was able to change the color of that towel right there. I can also change the color of the vest into something. Again, I can go for brown, for example. Click OK. And as you can see, I was able to change the color, although I think it's a bit too much, so let me choose the lighter one. There we go. And then I can also change the color of the tie. This is really amazing, so let's say I want to choose blue color, for example. Click OK. There we go. And then I can also change the color of the shirt, the pants, and let's say I want to make this a bit darker. I can always do that. And even the color of the coat as well. Maybe again, let's make it a bit darker as well. Click OK. And even the color of the shoes. So as you can see, this is really amazing. So let's make that black, for example. And there it is. And the customization that you can do depends on the character that you chose. And then once I'm done with this, I can also save outfit, and I can name this outfit if I want, so that in the future if I want to use that again, I can simply choose that. So that let's say for example I'm doing this for a certain local business, and I'll probably do a bunch more videos for them. I can simply save this template and use it over and over again for that company. So that's really great. So let's say I'm already done with this and I'm happy with it. I can again click next. And as you can see here, I have this preview of what I did so far, but I can still do something else. So here I can change the position of the avatar, and by default it's positioned to left, but I can also position him to right. There we go. So there's a bunch of things that you can do here, and let's say I want to just position him to right. I can click apply to all, so that it will be applied to all. But let me just bring that back to left for now. Aside from that, I can also change the background of my video. So this is really a good background for this one, but let's say for example you still want to change it with your own image, or choose from the library. You can just click upload, and as you can see here, they are integrated with Pixabay and Pixels. So you can go here and search for any image that you want. Let's say accident, for example. So let's say for example I want to use this image instead. I can just click that, click select, and as you can see it replaced that background that I had earlier. And if you want to use that as a background image to all of your slides, simply click apply to all. So there we go. So once I'm happy with this one, again I can just simply click next, and then just name this with any project that you want. Let's say a car accident. And then I just choose a resolution. For now they only have one option, which is 1080p, and that's good enough for me. So once I'm done, simply click create video. And I just want to mention that for the rendering, it's actually taking some time. And as you can see, this is something that I did 44 minutes ago, but up to now it's still not done. But I also need to mention that I'm doing this review during this time wherein they are still in the early development of this app, and probably they will improve this in the future. I just want to mention that as of right now, the rendering is taking some time. So while waiting for this, let's go back again to create video, and let me show you some other things that you can do here as well. And like I said earlier, aside from this template right here, they also have some other things such as this mock-up showcase and image frames, as well as avatar with solid background. Unfortunately, I need to upgrade for me to access these things, and right now my account does not have access to them, so I'm sorry if I cannot demonstrate them to you. But yep, those are some other features that you can have if you will buy some of their upsells as well. And let's check out the blue screen right here. If I have, nope, I don't have access to it. So let's just go back to create video again. Just leave this page, and let's actually try another one, just to show you some other customizations that you can do with the characters. So let's try cursive paint stroke, for example. Click next, and right now let's choose another niche as well. Let's try beauty salon, for example. So click next, and let's choose a female character, maybe Alice right here. Click next. And again, let me just choose a ready-made voiceover. Click next, and then click next again, and just add my logo. Select, click next, and again, as you can see here, I can change the hair. If I drag my slider right here, as you can see, I can change the hair of this character. So maybe I'll choose this one because this is a hair salon business, and so I want to show some more hair right there. And for the skirt pattern, I can also change that. So as you can see, the things that you can change depends on the character that you chose. So I can click these arrows and change whether I want to have that skirt pattern or not. Let's say I don't like to show that pattern. Let me just click no, and then I can also change the color of the eyebrows. So let's say I want to make her blonde, a blonde girl, for example. Click OK. There we go. So as you can see, I changed the color of the eyebrows. I can also change the color of the fingernails, although I guess that's good enough for now. And even the eyelashes. Again, let's make her a bit blonde. There we go. And then for the lips, I can also change the color and also the color of the body. Although again, that's good enough for now. And I guess I think I need to change the color of the hair as well. So let me click here and make it a bit lighter. Click OK, so that it matches the color of the eyebrows right there. There we go. I can also change the color of the shoes, the shoelace and whatnot, even the bracelet if I want, but I guess this is good enough for me. So once this is done, again, let me just click next. And again, I can do what I did earlier. I can change the background if I want, although I guess this background is already looking great for me, so let me just leave that as it is. So once I'm done, let me again click next, and then let me just name this hair salon, for example, and then choose a resolution, click create video, and then again, all I have to do is wait for this to be rendered and use it as my video. So as you can see, it's working well, and everything works great, and the features are good, especially for the customization of the characters. I just wish that they will make the render time faster, and I do believe that they will do that in the future. Also, I forgot to mention, but earlier, before I will render the video, the render preview is like what I mentioned in videos, where you only have those frames and you cannot play the video to see how it looks like before even rendering it. And that's something that I think they need to fix as well, so that you don't have to wait for the video to be rendered, and if you commit some mistakes, you need to go back to that again and edit it. So again, that's something that they still need to improve, just like what they do in some of my recommended apps like InVideo, Wave.video, and Trello. And by the way, if you want to check out those other social video creation apps as well, I want to add a link below this video as well. Although what makes this app unique compared to those apps is the customization of 3D characters, which is what I think this app really shines. So yep, that's my review of Avatar Builder. So if you find this app useful and you want to use it as well, just click the link in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. But if you're watching this on my blog, just click the button below and you will be taken to their sales page, and you can now purchase this app as well. And as always, if you get this through my link, I will give you amazing bonuses. And you can see those bonuses right below this video on this page. So yep, thanks a lot for watching. My name is Cham, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.